A little over 2 years ago when the pandemic started, we took a hard look at how we could keep our passengers and our employees safe. And one of the big initiatives was to look at new robotic innovation.
At Build with Robots, we put workers at the center and build robotics that keeps them safe. Breezy One was designed to integrate into a custodial team's workflow and ensures that their jobs are safer and easier.
Recently, William P. Hobby Airport became the only 5-star airport in North America and 1 out of 16 globally. That wouldn't have happened without the innovative disinfective equipment that a robotic Breezy One provides this airport.
I lead a great team in HLU custodial services, and we are a 5-star airport recently audited by Skytrax. It's very exciting. We have worked very hard for the last 5 years to become 5-star. We've put all kinds of projects and processes in place. We've changed how we operate, especially in custodial services, so that way we can show that we are a 5-star airport and that we are clean and we keep the areas protected for our passengers.
The management team at Hobby Airport give us the tools and the means to roll out innovations like this to help with Hobby when it came to achieving 5-star status.
Not only does it turn heads to all the passengers coming through and all the vendors we have here when they see it and they say, wow, this is great, but it also shows an investment from our team to our employees and all the other airlines here that we're really making an effort.
Closing all airports isn't an option, but what we can do is make sure that people are safe to travel. Breezy One eliminates greater than 99% of pathogens in the places where people need to be.
Tracy and I crafted an action plan to get the ball rolling for the project. It was very special for us to bring everybody together to get this.
We partnered with Breezy and we were able to have these robots in place to disinfect the airport. We have the whole airport mapped, public areas and office areas.
We try to invest whatever we can in our employees and our other shareholders here, and that's what Breezy One does.
We could deploy the robot into a restroom, we could disinfect it, and then our own team can come in and clean behind it, do their deep clean. So they know, they feel confident that that restroom is disinfected before that they come in and actually do that deep clean. So it's really important, not only for our own team, but for the passengers as well.
One of the bonuses I think of having Breezy on our team is we can program her to go off and disinfect and sanitize areas, and our other team can be taking care of other stuff. It's just a great, efficient way to do business.
People should be able to travel without worry. Let families reunite, let business continue, and let everyone get back to living their lives normally. Make travel a breeze with Breezy One.